It's the white one! What's going on, y'all? Julio Roadside Genius is going to show y'all I'm doing a mobile tire service. I went to do a tire repair on a customer, and it actually turned out that they needed a brand new tire because they're traveling 8 hours away. And originally we were going to go with a plug until we noticed that. Sure you guys know what that means. That's a rib belt on the inside. There's several of them, so that's not going to make it very far. So that's why we're doing this replacement. So check it out, y'all. Hope y'all doing good tonight. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing okay. I myself am doing fantastic. This is actually a returning customer that's calling me back on this service quest. And I couldn't be more appreciative of a returning customer. Take the valve core out of that one. We're gonna bust a bead on the one side, bust a bead on the other side, and get this thing installed. Let me shut y'all up here so y'all don't miss a beat. I got a roof leak. Plus it's raining. It's raining cats and dogs out there right now. So I'm sure you guys know what the first step is. I'm gonna bust a bead on the tire. Right now we're gonna bust the outer bead. Then we're gonna bust the inner bead. There we go. Outer bead busted. Now we're going on the inner bead. Inner bead busted. On the machine. I'm going to go ahead and put my valve core back because I'm terrible about putting those back sometimes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Before I forget. I can't see a thing over here. Here we go. Alright, valve core's back in. Now you guys know the steps here. We're gonna get the top of the tire off and trying to get y'all some light here so y'all can see. But it is nasty and wet out there today. No, a little bit of water never hurt me, but I prefer not getting wet. Oh, there went the light. Alright, so here we go. Oh man, I hate it when that happens. My generator got disconnected. Let me go plug that up. Alright, generator's connected again. That noise there was the weight on the tire coming off. I'm not going to worry worry about the dust or anything. Just gonna clean off the rim because it looks like it needs a clean. Feels like it needs a clean. It's a little rough. Cleaned off. There's the other side cleaned off. I'm wearing my waterproof gloves. Don't always rock these, but today is the occasion to rock these gloves. We're gonna throw this tire on there. It's an all season 195 6515 Goodyear tire. So solid tire. Let's install it. What I took off of there is a 215/60 or 215/70/15. But I don't have the actual tire size. Customer knows it. It's going on the rear, so it's not a drive tire. And the situation that they're in, they're trying to make their load on time. It's a courier service. So we're gonna get them, we're gonna get it done, and we're gonna get them on time to where they're going. Checking for inner or outer on these. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't. Doesn't look like this one has an inner, outer, or a directional. So no big deal there. This one should air up pretty easily, hopefully, we'll see. Just like I said, airing up pretty easily. And that's all she wrote, fellas. That was the bottom side sealing up. Top side should seal up anytime now. There it went. Just stirring it up now. Almost done here. Let's check that air pressure. All right, we're sitting just above 40 pounds. So I'm gonna take just a little bit out of there. Let's check that now. Just about 39 pounds. It's gonna take a little bit more out. One out about 35, 36, 37-ish. Let's see if that did it. That'll do it for me, fellas. All right. This tire didn't have a valve core on it, so I'm not going to give them one, but I am going to check, make sure nothing else is leaking. Doesn't look like the valve core is leaking anywhere, so that's good. She's good to go. Also going to check the inner and outer rim to make sure nothing's leaking here, which it won't be because I already know it's not, but just to show y'all that we're careful. No leaks. She's good to go. Now I'm gonna turn off my generator. All right, generator's off. Getting these tires out of the way. And let me go ahead and grab this guy. All right, so there we go. New tire on the rim. Let's get this customer on their way home or on their way to their drop site, because they're in a hurry. And, you know, I'm not in a hurry, but I'm not trying to be here all night. I'm trying to get home. Woke up early this morning. She's in there. I'm literally taking it down the street to that gas station over there. That's what my customer was. It was very convenient. But look at this. It's raining. It's nice out here. Got my glasses wet. This happens all the time. All right, so there she is. Oh, let me go get my light before I forget it over there. Yeah, the truck's messy as always, because when you're busy, you don't really keep it clean. Or I don't. I speak for myself. That's it. Closing up the truck. All right. Now let me lock her up. Uh-oh. My lock. This is my problem. I'm always so disorganized. I think my lock is in here somewhere. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Ouch. Y'all see me bump my head? That was embarrassing. All right, let's go put the tire back on. I hope you're doing all right today. And if you're not, don't worry. Things will get better. I'm just looking at my comments. Do I have to balance it? No, not in this scenario. And the reason I'm not balancing it is just because, one, I ain't got the time right now to balance it. And really, this customer's not worried about that. They're trying to get going. Could I have balanced it? Yes, but road service calls, we're on the highway, we don't really balance, we just let the customer deal with it on their own time. Plus I'm only charging like $315 for this service request, so, you know, they're getting a good deal. I was just here maybe 10 minutes ago, however long this video was. But now we're back. How you doing, buddy? All right, I'm just making a video. Set y'all right there, or maybe right here. Yeah, that's better. All right. So not the original fit for this rim, but in this situation, you help with what you can. and make sure nothing causes damage. But this won't cause any damage. So just be a smaller tire that's supposed to be on there than what is supposed to be on there, rather. My mistake. There we go. I think I'm on there centered. I have to fix that one. I might have did something wrong there, fellas. We're about to see. Feels like it went in cross-threaded. I think that's exactly what happened on that one. Oh yeah, broken stud on this one. Cross-threaded it, broke the stud. That's what I get for trying to go fast. But no big deal. You can always ride with 4. It's okay though. Hot. Hot. Very good. So I don't know if y'all saw that, but that lug nut was a little cross-threaded. So that was my mistake. But y'all saw it here first. We make mistakes. Let me go ahead and tighten all these down and make sure that the other 4 are tightly secured. All right, so now I'm gonna call the customer and explain that I messed up his tire, and I'm gonna obviously give him a discount or offer to pay for the repair. So thanks for watching.